What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys been out there building shit. Believing what God gave you and taking on some new projects. Building up your self-confidence, your self-worth. Knowing that you guys can take on bigger and bigger projects in the future. That's what it's all about. Like that kind of message, hit like and subscribe. So today, if you guys have been following the channel or, watching my coyote videos or whatnot, you know that my backhoe controls crossover. This hose, it's the one that is all smashed up from this coming flying up into here. I'm also gonna try to get some these little rubbers to protect this so that it's not smashing in. And then I'm probably gonna mention this. Yeah, this is damage that was caused by the tractor's malfunctions of the controls crossing over. It's not my fault, so I don't feel that I should have to continue paying on a tractor that's got that damage. What's up, YouTube? Hope you guys been out there building shit, believing what God gave you, taking on some new projects, picking up tools, educating yourself, building, fixing, creating, whatever it might be. Do something with your hands today that betters your life, that betters somebody else's life, that by the time you're done, you look back at it and you know that you accomplished something. Don't just sit around idle. Don't just sit on your couch or, make excuses. Like hearing that kind of message? Hit like and subscribe, guys. So I'm out here today and I'm working on a little coyote's backhoe and taking off one of the little stabilizer arms. So I've got a jack here, a little piece of granite, and basically take half inch stuff. I ended up just using an adjustable butt, and you take out the bolts from these pins, and then these pins are going to come out. And I just did this one, and this one, and then I'll take this one off once I got the whole thing lifted up and pulled out. Alright, YouTube, so I ran in, I just got this little punch and I'm driving this out with a big hammer, and I've got paper towels because I know this probably got some grease on it. So I'm gonna get that one pushed out and this one, and I might end up having to pick up the frame a little bit just to relieve some tension, but we'll see. It's kind of nice. This thing fits into the little indentation in there. Makes it pretty easy to push out. I did end up picking up on it just a tad bit just because I felt like it would help it slide out easier. And yeah, I'm a little bit precarious, but it should be all right. It's resting on the backhoe part, and it's not very heavy, so even if it came over a little bit, whatever. Alright, guys, so pins are knocked out, so now I can pick up this end, and I'll probably grab another paper towel, kind of clean them off. I can pull this out and then I'll undo this little foot pad. Got my last pin out. So now I just got the arm, which I'm taking in to replace because of that. Got it loaded up in the Subaru. Time to hit the road. Got that shiny thing. Also got new Zerk fittings for it because the old ones didn't come out. And I got that new rubber piece to stop it from coming up. Wham! So there we go. Time to get it put on. It's raining out here now, but it's alright. Once I knocked the pin in with the hammer, I just used some channel locks and grabbed it and twisted until the hole lined up. So I'll get my outrigger on. Got that one knocked in there and moved around. And just like the other one, got it spun around, got that in there, the bolt. So now I'm going to jack this up so that I can have freedom of motion with this a little bit and get it lined up, get it in there, and then I'll tighten them all up with my ratchet and adjustable. Got those all tightened back up. I do need to throw some grease in them. It's starting to rain, gotta get my tools put away, And I got this little guy. I'm gonna throw that in there. So started getting tools put away. Got a big pry bar. I'm gonna see if I can get that little thing out a little. Looks like I'm gonna push in that instead of pulling the part out that I want. So I ended up flipping it the other way, like that, and it was stronger. So I wasn't bending the back. I was against two pieces kind of, and I was able to get it out. So now I just gotta get that thing popped in there. Little flathead screwdriver action, got it popped in there. So now that's good. It's not going to smash my new line that I got replaced after all the damage that occurred from that being crossed over. And I'm going to fix that. I'm going to bend it or do whatever. But now that's back to, had that not been messed up when I bought it status. So alrighty guys, hit like and subscribe, follow along.